She has a kennel cox, and she's my oldest dog in pagoda. Every day I give her medicine to protect her kennel cox because she had cox about a week. Now she's on medication. She's a bit better. Sometimes we hear her coughing, but sometimes not because the medicine is working on her now. Okay, I give food with the medicine. Come on. Marie, come on. Marie. So I put the food inside. Be careful, if you eat, you will eat her medicine. Okay, she's eating with the medicine now. Now she reduced the voice of coughing. Before, when I'm coming to pagoda to feed her, I hear it's very loud. That's so poor. That's her son, and this girl already sterilized. I give her some. Joy, come on, good boy. That's chicken boy. You already eat. You eat many times. It's time for the other. You cannot eat only you. She's my good girl. I love her. I feel a little bit better because I'm too worried about her because she's old and then she had cough. So when she coughing, I feel not so good. But after her cough is reduced, she's a bit better. She's living in pagoda, but every day I'm taking care of her, feeding her, and everyone here. I feel that they are also my kids, and when they are happy, I'm happy. When they are not well, I'm feeling not good. She's looking at me. That's her son. Okay. Joy. Joy, here. Yeah. He's sitting, look at them because he's already eat. Joy. Okay, Joy, here you are. Two of them are siblings. They are done. They already eat. I gave them first. I have many dogs that I need to take care and feed every day. So every morning I start. You see? You see her? You see? Yeah, she coughs sometimes. It's not often like before. Before it's so often. When I hear she coughing, I feel very bad. But now she's better. So I feel better too. My good girl, I love you. That's why I try very hard every day to come to feed and look after all of them. Yeah. I love you. I to the next place to feed. No, don't stop fighting. Stop fighting, okay? Stop fighting. Stop fighting, okay? Gear, gear. Okay. So they are done eating. I have to go to the next place. She's still looking at me. I gave her a lot of food because she's older and she's look healthy. I mean, she's look big and yeah. Everyone said I have to reduce her food because she's look big, but you know, I don't want to make her hungry because when she's hungry I'm feeling bad, so I have to give her eat. Okay, you will be better soon, baby. Okay, so I go to the next place to feed the cats and kittens. Thank you so much for watching video from my YouTube channel. Please share and subscribe to have more video. Thank you. See you the next video.